Halo Infinite will support cross-play and cross-progression on Xbox and PC. I think that the people are going to celebrate such a thing.
No, this is great.
Multiplayer customization and progress will sync across PC and Xbox. And then also for multiplayer games themselves, you're playing from both groups, both pools, which is nice. So your pals on the PC and you're on the Xbox. And this is one of the areas that Microsoft can really leverage.
Yes.
Because they're in both places. Microsoft is announcing today that Halo Infinite will support crossplay and cross-progression when it launches later this year, allowing PC and Xbox players to match together and play Halo Infinite campaign. So you can play the campaign together as well as multiplayer. The multiplayer mode will be also free to play when it launches. So it's going to be one of those Fortnite situations.
Yeah. Call of Duty.
Warzone situations. Yeah. Are there any other hot ones right now which are free to play? Because I feel so dated saying those two titles, but maybe they're still what people play. I don't know.
Apex?
Yeah, Apex. But Warzone came out after Apex, no?
Yes. Yeah. They're the big three, I think.
There's
maybe
no
PUBG.
Big free to play right now that's more current. Am I nuts?
Not that I can think of.
Yeah, okay. I'm sure someone's shouting. There's probably some. Anyway. When it launches later this year, it'll support up to 120 FPS in the arena mode on the Xbox Series X. And then the customizations are going to have to be available across both of them. So 120 FPS multiplayer on a console? Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, they would probably have to figure out balancing issues with the PC, Xbox, controller, mouse kind of situation.
It's not going to be an easy task.
Yeah. Warzone kind of started it. You know, but we'll see.
Will you be playing this game?
I mean, we all got to play, right?
Whoa.
Yes.
Whoa. Yeah. You took your hand off the mouse. You pointed at me like that.
You. Yeah.
Okay. Would you?
I mean, you're a Halo guy.
Would you rather play on PC or on Xbox?
That's a good question. Old school, probably just console.
On the Xbox. Okay. Yeah. All right. You heard it here.